So learning how to start digital marketing as a beginner can seem like a hassle. Most of the high ranked videos are these 30-minute mega produced videos that don't really get to the point. I'm going to save you 6 months of your time telling you exactly what to expect when selling a product on the internet. See, people get stuck in the form of, I need to figure out what's the best and the ultimate product to sell, high demand. When you're in a biz op, home-based business space or digital marketing, there's an audience for everything. It doesn't matter what the product is. If it offers a solution, there's somebody out there that will buy it. What they don't tell you is, here's 3 concepts or 3 action steps that are going to skyrocket your success. 1, you need to learn how to capture attention from your hook, from the presentation of your video. That is the biggest thing we're going to be doing in this space. Capturing attention. 2nd, you need to know who you're talking about. You need to know who you're talking to. You don't want to have this vague video that's trying to talk to everybody because you're thirsty to get a lead and a sale. And 3, here's actually the 3 videos you need to post every single day. First, you're going to post a video that is showing what you do from a broad standpoint. It's going to show it in a way that people can feel that maybe I can do it. Whether it's, all I really do is wake up at 6 a.m. and I post 3 powerful videos that I'm going to show you how to make, offering a product that's going to solve 95% of the problems most people have with their finances. That's a freestyle script, but you see how it's kind of broad. It's not going to say specifically what they're going to do. Video 2, this is going to build your reach. So this is just going to be a POV point you're going to make. You're not even going to talk in this video. B-roll of you walking. I'm sometimes just staring off in space when I put this video into action. And you're going to make a point. Here's just an example. Everyone wanted to be grown and turn 18 until they realize they're going to have 20 bills and only 1 paycheck that they have to divide up every week. And then in the caption, I'm going to leave the meat and potatoes on how they can get a solution for this, but I'm not going to push the call to action, which is to go to the website, something like that. I'm going to let this go, create a wave, and go through the algorithm and say, hey, that relates to me. They follow me. Now they're bringing a whole bunch of eyes to my page. And 3, we're going to do the implementation stuff. So this is going to be a longer version of implementation, but in, a minute to 2, we're going to do implementation, but simple steps though. I wake up at 6 a.m. I record these 3 videos because that's the main thing of what I do. If you want to know how to do it, here's the website. 3 videos that you're going to post over and over every single day, multiple times a day. And that's it. Now, what's another thing that's going to happen is a lot of people think what we do is so easy, so simple. Oh, you're just offering this. Some people say you just sell a course. But just you filming a video in this shape or fashion, you're going to struggle. When it comes to making a website or a funnel, even though I do give you an all-in-one already done option, you're going to struggle. When it comes to setting up an email list, doing domain stuff, getting a domain, you're going to struggle. These are digital marketing skills that a lot of people don't touch on because they're boring. They want to try to get the money quick, but there's real skills on the background. Just recording of videos, you're going to struggle. You're going to think it's so easy. I can give you exactly what to say. I can put it on a teleprompter, have you read it, and it's still not going to be probably a good video because it's your first time doing it. I've been doing this for a decade. So that's kind of the overview of how to make money as a beginner. We're going to be posting those 3 pieces of content that's going to push your business, whether you're online or not. You're going to have a system where people can go get the information. It's going to have AI on it. It's going to answer a lot of questions on it. You're going to even see it when you go to my website. You're going to see there's going to be a chat bot at the bottom. You're going to be able to ask it any questions. Does this work? When does it pay? What are the products? Even though the products are going to be on the page. And ultimately, I'm going to give you a chance to get the resale rights to this software. Not a course, but an actual software with real tools, AI and everything on it that you can offer to beginners. So they have a platform with a community, even a social media on it, where you can see other people making money online, other people in the same rim as you. And the software you need to be effective. We're going to help you build your email list because your email list is where the money is at. If you get kicked off a platform, if you decide you want to offer something else on the internet, you have an email list that you can go to and offer it. So if you have more solutions, that is. So that's exactly what I want to show you below. And I'm actually recording this in the software. I'm not using the script version of it because we give you a script where you can read off of it and learn how to do YouTube. I'm actually freestyling this whole video, but I'm recording this in the software. So that's what I want you to know. You have some real utility products. This is not just a course, but you do have a lot of education. And if you choose to get our premium product, which you're going to get a 2-week free trial, we do Monday through Fridays. Actually about to start in a few minutes, 10 minutes right now. 11 a.m. Eastern. We show you over the shoulder of what a lot of us are doing online. And at the end, you can ask any tech questions. And this is Monday through Friday on top of everything else that you get, guys. So this is a place where you can literally earn a nice amount of money, but one customer can yield you $128 recurring. So if we put a lot of work in the month of June, we keep our customers happy, help them get results, help them feel, welcome. They're going to pay again the next month. And now that same money is going to carry over next month. And that's what 99% of digital marketers cannot say, because they're selling one-off items. Once you sell it, you can make great amount of money this month. You got to start over next month. Not here. But I'm going to end this video, edit it up real quick, and get it online for you guys. All the information is going to be in the description. And before you leave, I want you to comment in the comment, what's a good monthly income for you, to whereas if you said one day, I don't want to work my job anymore, you can walk away from it and not feel the burden.